Totoo bang nag-surrender tayo ng buhay? Because a person who truly surrendered his life to Jesus ay meron pong transformation yan. Ano po? Marahil hindi po yan kaagad-agad, pero meron yan. Ano po? Because the Spirit changes people's heart and transform them. At ang isa pong tao na tinransform ng Diyos, ng banal na Espiritu, he or she becomes an agent of transformation in his family. Ang sabi po ng Acts 16 verse 31, believe in the Lord Jesus Christ and you will be saved, you and your household. Bakit po mangyayari yon? Kasi nga po, he was transformed and he will be an agent of transformation in his family. Then, he will be an agent of transformation in his community and beyond. And it will affect the society in general.